Our story begins billions of years ago in the vast expanse of the universe, where time and space stretch beyond our imagination. Imagine a vast dark cloud of gas and dust floating silently in the cosmic void, a seemingly unremarkable patch of the universe. This was the solar nebula, the birthplace of our solar system, a swirling mass of potential and promise. Gravity, the invisible hand of the cosmos, began to pull the particles in the nebula towards each other, initiating a slow but unstoppable dance. Slowly, the cloud began to spin, its rotation accelerating as more and more material was drawn inward. At the center of this swirling mass, the sun ignited, a new star born from the chaos. It blazed with nuclear fusion, a process that would power it for billions of years, bathing the surrounding disk of dust and gas in light and heat. The remnants of the nebula continued to circle the newborn sun, forming a protoplanetary disk, a nursery for future worlds. Within this disk, a remarkable transformation was taking place as the building blocks of planets began to coalesce. Tiny dust grains, remnants of dead stars, collided and stuck together, their mutual attraction growing stronger with each collision. This process, called accretion, marked the first step in the formation of planets, as these tiny particles began to form larger and larger clumps. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger, forming planetesimals, the seeds of future planets, each one a potential world in the making. Our Earth, along with its siblings, began its journey in this chaotic nursery of the cosmos, a tiny speck in a vast and ever-changing universe destined to become a cradle of life. Planetesimals were like cosmic dust bunnies, constantly attracting and collecting more material. As they grew larger, their gravitational pull intensified, accelerating the process. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more snow as it goes. The early solar system was a cosmic billiards game, with planetesimals colliding and merging. These collisions were often destructive, shattering some planetesimals into fragments. However, some collisions were constructive, leading to the formation of protoplanets. These larger bodies, with their stronger gravity, swept their orbital paths clean, accreting even more material. The inner solar system, hotter and closer to the sun, saw the formation of rocky planets like Earth. Further out beyond the frost line, icy giants like Jupiter and Saturn took shape. Each collision, each interaction shaped the destiny of these nascent worlds. The eventual emergence of life. It determined the planet's composition, its internal structure, and its destiny as a haven for life. The early trials and tribulations of our planet laid the groundwork for the rich and diverse world we inhabit today. a world teeming with life and endless possibilities. One impact, more dramatic than all the others, would change Earth forever. A Mars-sized object named Theia collided with our young planet. The impact was catastrophic, sending shockwaves through the solar system. Molten debris from both Earth and Theia was blasted into space. This material, caught in Earth's gravitational pull, eventually coalesced to form our moon. The moon's formation had profound consequences for Earth. It stabilized our planet's rotation, creating the regular seasons we experience today. The moon's gravitational pull also created tides, which played a crucial role in the development of life. This cosmic collision, a defining moment in Earth's history, left an indelible mark on our planet and set the stage for the emergence of life. Section 5. Finding our layers. The intense heat generated by impacts and radioactive decay within Earth's interior caused the planet to melt. This melting allowed for a process called differentiation to occur. Denser materials like iron and nickel sank towards the center, forming Earth's core. Lighter materials such as silicates rose to the surface, creating the mantle and the crust. The Earth's layered structure is not static. The mantle, a layer of hot, viscous rock, churns slowly, driving the movement of tectonic plates. This movement is responsible for earthquakes, volcanoes, and the formation of mountains. The Earth's interior is a dynamic and complex system, constantly evolving and shaping the planet's surface. Section 6. Air and water. As Earth cooled, volcanoes erupted, spewing gases from the planet's interior into the atmosphere. This process, known as volcanic outgassing, released water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and other gases. Over time, the water vapor condensed, forming clouds and eventually raining down on the cooling surface. This marked the birth of Earth's oceans. The early atmosphere was very different from the one we breathe today. It was much thinner and lacked a protective ozone layer. However, it provided the essential ingredients for life: water, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. The oceans, initially shallow and acidic, gradually became more hospitable as they interacted with rocks and absorbed gases from the atmosphere. Section 7. A rain of fire. About 4 billion years ago, the solar system experienced a period of intense asteroid bombardment known as the Late Heavy Bombardment. Molecules, the building blocks of life, to our planet. However, they also posed a challenge to the emergence of life, repeatedly sterilizing the early oceans with their intense heat. Despite these challenges, life found a way to emerge and thrive. Section 8. And then, life. As the bombardment subsided, Earth entered a calmer phase. The once chaotic and violent surface began to settle, allowing the planet to transition into a more stable state. The planet continued to cool, and the oceans, now vast and deep, provided a stable environment for life to evolve. These immense bodies of water became the cradle of life, nurturing the first signs of biological activity. The first life forms were simple, single-celled organisms, microscopic in size but monumental in significance. These tiny entities represented a profound turning point in Earth's history, marking the dawn of biological existence. From these humble beginnings, life diversified and evolved over billions of years, adapting to the changing environment and developing into more complex forms. Eventually, this relentless process of evolution gave rise to all the plants and animals we see today, each species a testament to the power of adaptation and survival. The story of Earth's formation is a testament to the power of time, chance, and the remarkable resilience of life. Through countless trials and tribulations, life has persisted, continually finding ways to thrive. From a swirling cloud of dust and gas, our planet emerged, a product of cosmic forces and serendipitous events. Shaped by cosmic collisions, volcanic eruptions, and the relentless forces of nature, Earth underwent a tumultuous journey to become the habitable world we know today. Earth's unique history, a delicate balance of chaos and order, created the conditions for life to flourish. This intricate dance between destruction and creation has sculpted a planet teeming with diversity and wonder, a true marvel of the universe.